Back to my channel. Today I come with a new amazing video. In this video I am going to talk you about a new cloud mining website. This website provide you a huge opportunity to earn more and more TRX. Please watch this video complete so I can explain all the information about this website, and I give you a complete review how to earn, how to join, and how to take a withdrawal from this website. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, I request my viewers and subscribers, please like this video and also subscribe my channel. I will provide you a link in the description. You can check out this. If you click on it, you will redirected to the registration page of this website. I will show you here. Friends, here you can see that I come on the crypto mall registration page. You can see that the website name is crypto mall. Cloudworld.shop is the domain of this website. Here you can see that some steps to enter into this website. First, you need to enter your mobile phone number, then you need to enter your login password, then you need to enter your fund password, and you can check here. This is your registration and captcha code you need to fill in this portion. After this, you need to click and the register page. If you fill all this information clearly, friends, these are the all information are very necessary. You need to fill all this clearly, then you need to click on register now. But I already have an account. Now I click on I have an account. Now I click on this option and enter into this website. Now friends, you can see that I successfully entered into the website. After entering into the website, you can check here. These are the some steps. Here you can see that I show you the all information about this website. Please watch the video complete. Here you can see that this is the popping ad. You can see that these are the language option. You can change your website language into many different languages, such as you can check here. Now I go back. This is the logo of this website, and in the down you can see that there are a balance option and notification options. First, you can see that your TRX balance. You can see that I have a 30 TRX which I deposit in this website 10 TRX. Now you can see that yesterday today earning is that, and total revenue of this website is that. And in the down you can see that that are the some ads about the shopping. You can get this product by investing this TRX this, and you can see that this amount, and you can see that this is the amount. In the down you can see that friends, these are the all information, financial product, video tutorial, investment, income, and about us. Now I click on this investment income to show you the investment income details, so I can explain all these information clearly. Please watch the video complete. And you can see that there is no details, so I can back and see you the other website review. Now go back. After the going back, you can see that this is the about us option. Now I click on about us. You can see that during epidemic mean coronavirus, you can check this all information popping ad. You can check here. You can also make own money at home, and you can check these are the information. Welcome to about us. SCS crypto mall was established on 09 to the 2010. Our headquarters is located in Manila, Philippines. More than 1 million active members since inception. Company numbers. You can check this. This company is successfully registered with the account, and you can check these are the information about the about us. You can check here. And in the down you can see that added to understand policies and SD consults from manufacturers to wholesaler and retailers generate revenue for our member. Every step of the way help sellers increase sales of SC crypto malls requirement agent and affiliates in the Philippines. You can check this all information. Please watch this video complete so I can go back. After the going back, I give you this information. This is the member list. These members are getting commission from this website, and these are the owner role that are successful deposited and withdrawing from this website. Here you can see that. Now I click on the charge option. This is the very important option I describe you at the end of the video. Please watch the video complete. Now I click on a grab option. This is the grab option. You need to only click on a grab. After the grabbing, you can check earn our money. Now click on a grab. You can see that after the grabbing, you can check here this website working. I wait for the complete working of this. Now you can see that I successfully click on a grab. Now I wait for the grabbing of this website. Now friends, you can see that I click on this task option. After grabbing, you can see that my task in progress. Now wait for the complete. Now I click on a confirm option. I go to the order option. Here you can check this is the order, pay order, and all information you can check here. These are the commission time. I wait for the complete commission. You can check there. This is the unpaid, and now you can wait here. Now friends, you can see that total grab is my amount. Now I click on only pay order, so I can pay this. You can see that I need to put here password. I put here my password. Such as friends, you can see that I put my password here. Now you can see that it's submitting. Now wait for the complete submitting. You can see that the payment is successfully and the order is being settled. Now you need to click only a close option. After this you can see that this website is reloading again. Now click on account option. Here you can see that the account option has a simple ways such as accounting rule, team report, daily settlements, message about us, invite friends, security, and download app. Now friends, first I see you the other steps of earning. First you need to click check here this next level VIP2. You can get the VIP2 after depositing in this. First I need to click on invite friends. This is a best way to earn money in this website, because without earning and without investment you can earn this. You can only need to this click link option, copy link, and after the copy link you can share with your friends, and your friends invest in this website. You can get the most TRX revenue by using this website. Friends, you can see that I have a 30 TRX. Now I give you a complete view how to recharge. This is your mobile phone number, this is your invitation code. Now in the down you can check your app option. You can download the app of this website. This is security, you can check this. Accounting records, such as friends, I click on accounting records. It's not working because of slow internet. I wait for the complete review. And now friends, you can see that it I again click on this accounting records. It not again working. Now I wait for the complete opening of this. Now friends, you can see that I click on a team report. It's successfully open. You can check here how much you have team in this website, and how much your team recharge in this website, how much you earn, how much withdraw. You can check all informations. I have no team in this website because I joined this website. Now I can go back. After going back, you can see that I invite friends. You can copy this invite friend by copying the link. You can check this, and after you can share it with your friend, and your friends earn now money. Now I click on a recharge option to show you how to recharge in this website. For recharge, I click on a recharge option. After the clicking recharge, you can see that it is coming. Friends, after clicking the recharge option, you can see this is the phase. First you need to put your amount here. If you want to invest in this website 100 TRX, you can select it. Such as I select here 500 TRX. I click here 500 TRX. After this you need to click only a recharge and continue option, such as you can showing here. Now friends, I click on this single minimum amount here is 20 TRX and the maximum is that. Now I click on a TRX and continue option. You can see that after the clicking continue, you can check here this is your account address. You need to click the copy, and after copying the address you need to go back to the trust wallet account. Such as I come back trust wallet account, you can send him the amount by using this feature, such as click send amount. Then you need to paste your amount, then click on continue. After putting all addresses, you can see that I have no TRX to pay this, so I can go back, and this is the method how to invest in this website. Now I go back. After the going back, you can see that I go back again, and then I go back to the home option. Then I click and show you the recharge and withdraw options. Now I click on a withdrawal option. Friends, you can see that after the withdrawal option, you can see that first I need to bind my address. I need to click on a continue options, confirm. Now you can see that I need to click on add it now. Now after the clicking add it, now you can see that please enter the address here, such as friends I have already copied address. Now I click on a submitting option. You can see that it's submitted successfully. Now I click here TRX binding address successfully. Now I go back here. After the going back, I need to paste and put my password here, such as friends I already tell you my password is this. Now you can see that I put my amount of 30 TRX here. Now I click on a submit. After the clicking submit, you can see that please select a withdrawal method. Now I click on a withdrawal method. You can check this successfully added. Now I click on a submitted option. Now first I face this. Now friends, you can see that I add submitted amount. Now I click on a submitted. You can see that it's successfully. Now wait for the complete arrival of this. Now I click on a recharge withdrawal record, so I can show you I get or not. You can see that my 29 TRX are in a pending. I wait for the complete sending of this. You can see that it is now unpaid. When the website paid you the amount, your here change into the paid option, such as now it is unpaid. I refresh here to show you it paid, change into paid or not. It website provide you a withdrawal in 1 hour to 2 hours because of this service problems and other issues. I hope friends you like this video, and I'll subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.